Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to share access in Dropbox in 2025 so you can let others view or edit your files and folders. First, log into your Dropbox account on your computer. Find the file or folder you want to share, hover over it, and click the Share button on the right. A sharing window will pop up. Here you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to give access to. After typing their emails, choose the permission level. Can view, they can only see or download the file. Can edit, they can add, change, or delete files inside the folder. Once you've set the permissions, click Share to send the invite. If you prefer to share with a link, click Copy Link instead. Paste this link into an email, chat, or message. For extra control, go to Link Settings, where you can set a password, choose an expiration date, or restrict who can open the link. After adjusting your settings, hit Done. Now, the people you invited will have the exact access level you chose, and that's it. That's how you share access in Dropbox in 2025. Simple, secure, and just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.